Writing, once upon my imagination. Listen and say. Main vocabulary. Cozy. Strange. Upside down. Gentle. Whisper. Kindness. Extra vocabulary. Sunny. Fluffy. Clouds. Sunshine. Dear. Magically. Bright. Side. Joy. Expressions and phrases. Look out the window. Turn right side up. One by one. Turn over. Be solved with. A little bit of. Conjugation of verbs. Regular verbs. Present. Float. Past. Floated. Cry. Cried. Fix. Fixed. Whisper. Whispered. Flip. Flipped. Turn. Turned. Clap. Clapped. Solve. Solved. Irregular verbs. Present. Begin. Past. Began. Shine. Shone. Definitions. Fiction story. It is a made-up story that is created from the imagination, not based on real things that happened.